It's really fun to move. You can like, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor Kids Crafters. I'm your host Ellen and this is the show where we make awesome crafts for kids. Today we are learning to make an exercise game. This is a super easy origami project and it's an easy way to get moving. So let's get started. Start off with an ordinary sheet of paper and fold it so the edges touch like this. Then you're going to look at this extra bit of paper and just cut it off so you get a square. Open it up. And now you are going to fold it the other way across the other diagonal. Okay, so for the next step, you are going to take the corners and fold them each into the middle until you've done it on all sides. Then flip it over and do that again on the other side. Okay, so now pick 4 colors of markers and draw a swirl on each of the squares that you have created from folding. 1 in each color. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to look at the divide on the other side and you are going to draw a letter on each side of the divide. You can use English letters, but I'm going to go with Arabic since I'm practicing my Arabic. Then, once you're done with that, open up the flap and draw a dotted line down the middle. And then on each side of the dotted line, draw a different exercise. Write a different kind of exercise. Okay, and once you're done with that, you're going to gently fold it in half both ways. And then you are going to put your fingers in it to form the full origami project. Okay, so the way the game is played is this. You put your fingers in each of these holes, so you have 2 fingers from each hand. Then the challenger picks a color. Let's say they pick green. You'll say G-R-E-E-N, green. Now they pick a letter. Let's say they pick ba. Alif, ba. All right, now they pick 1 more letter. Let's go with Jim. So now you're going to open up the flap. And under Jim, oh my goodness, we have to run around the house outside 1 time. All right, so go ahead and keep doing that until you or your challenger get really tired and can't do the exercises anymore. If you want to play against somebody, the way that you do it is you keep going until one person gives up because they're too tired. All right, and that is how we make our origami exercise game. And before you go, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so we can come back for more awesome crafts. Jazakallah khair and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.